Hello everyone, Morgan here with Squid Industries. Today, we'll be showing you an example of what tap is and how to fix that issue. So what I have with me here today is our Squid Industries inked Triton V2 in silver. So what is tap? Tap is when the blade and the handle tap together like so. This can be easily resolved by tightening the loose handle screw on your balisong with our T10 Torx driver, which can be found in every single one of our Balisong Maintenance Kits found on our website. So, our Triton runs on washers, and a very important note is we don't want to over tighten the screw on washer products. This can keep the handle from moving at all. So, you just want to make sure you tighten it enough, but not too much. You can see we've fixed our tapping issue, but now we're going to show you how to do the same thing, but on one of our bushing products. This is the Squid Industries dual tone in red Krake Raken V2.5. So, we hear the tap, but we are able to tighten the screw to our heart's desire on bushing products without having to worry about the handle binding up. So after we've tightened the screw, we've fixed our tap issue, and now this balisong is ready to flip. Thank you so much for joining us today for this Squid tip.